Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I'm so excited to tell you about this new segment that I'm doing. It's called What We're Cooking Up For You. So every month I'm going to be sharing the things that we have coming in the coming month. And this month is February. It's the month of love and all things pink and all things red. And we have some amazing things planned for you to help you think about getting into the travel industry, and also if you're already in the industry, what you should be doing to grow. So February is dedicated to doing more of what you love. I want to talk first about our Livestream series. So if you're not already following us, I'm going to give you some information on that in a second. But on the Livestream series, we're going to be talking about how to take your passion for travel and turn it into profits, how to do more of what you love. And we're also gonna be talking about self-care and how important that is as an entrepreneur to actually show up better for your business and show up better for your family and everything that you wanna accomplish in life. So that's on the Livestream series. Then we're gonna go over to YouTube, where we're also creating some amazing custom content. Over on YouTube, we're gonna be talking about finding clients you love and lots more topics for both new and experienced travel entrepreneurs. So make sure you check that out as well. We're also going to be doing the coolest thing in February, and this is the one I'm honestly so excited about. It's called the Grape Soda Challenge. If you are thinking about getting into the travel industry and you've been kind of going back and forth, is it the time? Should I do it? I've always wanted to do it, but I don't know how. This is a challenge for you aspiring travel professionals. So mark your calendars for February 15th through the 19th, and I'm going to drop the link below so you can register for that challenge. It's totally free, and you get to work with me in the challenge to really establish what it's like to get into the industry, the kind of the foundational things that you need to do. So that's gonna be really fun. I'm so excited. It's gonna be up-themed, it's everything, and that's probably my favorite thing happening in February. So guys, a few things just to recap that we're doing in February that you should do to make yourself the most successful that won't cost you anything. Number one, go over to Facebook and look for the Careers on Vacation private group. Request to join. That is where I go live inside that group every Wednesday at 10 a.m. That's where you can catch our live stream series. Then hop over to YouTube and look for the Cyndi Williams channel. I'm going to link both of these down below for you as well. And like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Every week we create new content that gives you great advice, tips, resources, and training on growing a travel business, and you don't want to miss all of that amazing content. And last but not least, if you are really going to play it big in the travel industry this year and you really want to take your travel business to the next level, or you want to work with us to become a travel agent, go over to careersonvacation.com and you can learn about all the programs we have to offer to support new, aspiring, and experienced travel entrepreneurs all over the world. And guys, listen, I'm so excited to share all this love with you here in February. I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you the world. I'll see you in all of those places, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you in so many ways.
This could be magical.